this has been a little overwhelming for me. I gotta be 100% honest. So I need to get back to more structure in my life. What's up, guys? Just got to the track, but before I head out for my sprint workout, I wanted to talk to you guys about a little something I've been reading about. So I read about this in a book called School of Greatness from Lewis Howes, and he talks about how to set up your perfect day. So over the last couple of vlogs, I've been sharing some of this motivational and inspirational stuff with you at the end of the vlogs. You guys seem to be liking it, so I want to start doing more of it because I think it's so important on your Live Lean journey. Setting up your perfect day, Lewis recommends you take from the moment that you wake up in the morning to the moment you go to sleep at night. What does your day look like in between? So he wants you to start scheduling things in there that take you closer to your vision. So when you have something scheduled, you're more likely to do it than if you're just going on the whim and you're just going from email to email, or you're going from meeting to meeting, or whatever it may be. So this is something that I'm gonna start doing. I wake up at 5 a.m. I pretty much go to bed around 10 o'clock at night. So within those hours, I need to set up certain schedules so that I know at 6 a.m. this is what I'm doing, at 7 a.m., at 8 a.m., that sort of thing. And before you shake your head and be like, that's way too structured and I can't do that, it doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be every single day looks exactly the same, but this is like a framework for you guys to work with. What I want you to do is just think about how you want your perfect day to look. What would it actually look like to you? So what time of day do you wake up? What is the first thing you do in the morning? What is the last thing you do before you go to bed? Think about what you want to create every day. Think about who you want to hang out with every day. Think about how you want to feel every day. Include that in your perfect day schedule.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode. Think of it as an itinerary for the world's best day. What would you be doing? So start with that in mind, write it out, put it down on paper. I'm gonna do the exact same thing because my life, I'm running an entrepreneurial business. I have a couple employees that I need to manage as well. And with being a dad, running this business, this has been a little overwhelming for me. I gotta be 100% honest. So I need to get back to more structure in my life, in my business. And I think this is really gonna help. So I'm gonna do this, hopefully you guys do it as well. So schedule in your workouts, schedule in your meal prep, schedule in family time, schedule in personal development time, schedule in your stretching, schedule in your yoga, schedule in your meditation. Whatever's important to you guys, schedule it in so you don't keep giving up on it and keep forgetting about it and keep missing it. What gets scheduled gets done. So get the important things in there and start living towards your vision. Thanks for tuning in to another vlog. If you do enjoy these vlog style segments, let me know in the comments below. I love you guys and keep living lean.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something